Hello, my name is Hadrian Parker, and I am a Senior Analytic Training Consultant with Analysys Prime University. In this tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to create calculated measures in models and stories. These are derived measures not available in your data source that can be used in your stories. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a calculated measure from a table in a story, create a calculated measure in a model, then use these measures in tables and charts. First, let's create a calculated measure from a story. This table shows the active and inactive employees broken down by department. You wish to add the total employees to this table, but this value is not a measure in the model. SAC offers the ability to add calculated measures to a story. In Edit mode, select the table and expand the Builder panel. The two measures are added to the columns. Select the More option for measures and click Add Calculations. Under Type, select Calculated Measures. Give it a name. This name can have spaces as it is also a label name. In the Edit Formula text field, type the formula required. This measure is the active employee plus the inactive employee. Note, when you type either the name or the description of the measure, the formula will offer you suggestions. Select OK, and the calculated measure is added to the table. To edit your value under the Builder panel, the measure will have a drop-down option for story calculations. Here you can format, edit, copy, or delete the measure. If you have edit access to the model, you can create a calculated measure in the model that can be used in any story. In this model, you can see that the measures for active and inactive employees have been created from the data source. Select the Workspace drop-down and select Calculations. Under the plus sign, select Add Calculated Measure. Under the Properties panel, add a name and a description. Note, the description in this measure is used as the label in the story. In the formula text bar, type your formula. When you type either the name or the description for the measure, the formula will offer you suggestions. Save the changes, then open a story using this model. In a table, the new calculated measure can be added to the table. Both types of calculated measure can be used in other tables and charts in the story. In this example, a waterfall chart is added to show the connections between the three measures. In this tutorial, we covered how to create calculated measures from both stories and models, then apply these measures to tables and charts. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, click the like button below. You can also view our growing catalogue of self-paced courses, tutorials, webinars, and join the community forum by creating your free account at analysysprime.com.